Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used Audi A6 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro 204 PS S-tronic in Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork. Now this vehicle is an Audi approved used car, so it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the first part of this video, let's take a look around this stunning A6 for a full 360 degree tour. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright matrix LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these stunning 20-inch alloy wheels, which really complement the paintwork and make this vehicle stand out and look incredibly premium. Now this vehicle is equipped with privacy glass, which means that rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are hidden from any prying eyes. And looking into the back, we do have three spacious seats. The outer two do come with ISOFIX points, and they do fold 40-20-40, which means you can get those skis right through the centre there. And this is also the perfect family car. We have that lovely centre armrest there, which makes it incredibly comfortable for passengers in the back, alongside a 12-volt socket for charging any devices in the rear. Now looking to the back, we do have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible no matter what time of day. Then coming around to the back, we can see the stylish rear end of the A6. And if we pop the boot open, you can see that there is plenty of space in the back of this car. So you've got room in there for those suitcases for that weekend away, and you can also get your golf clubs in there as well. And once the rear seats are folded, you can get larger and longer items in there as well. And then if we close that, you can see the sleek design once again. And then coming down to the side and having a look inside, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display in this stunning saloon car. So we have this lovely piano black trim running along the centre console here, and then just above that we do have the matte brushed aluminium trim which runs around the vehicle and complements the interior very nicely. And then these seats are the leather and Alcantara with the S embossing. They're really comfortable, really supportive, especially on those long drives. Both front seats do also have full electric adjustment and electric lumbar support, perfect for those longer drives. And the driver's seat does come equipped with a two-person memory function, which is great if you've got more than one person driving the vehicle. So that completes our initial walk around of this 2021 Audi A6 Saloon. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this A6 at some of the technologies on offer in this stunning saloon. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces, saves those lovely mirror caps from getting knocked. Then looking back, we do have this 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction steering wheel here, which feels really nice to hold and is stunning to look at as well. So on the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have the controls for the digital screen in between the analog dials. Sat behind that, we've had downshift paddle there for the S-tronic gearbox for that ultimate sporty driving feel. Below that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, which is perfect for those longer stretches of driving. Looking over to the right, we have our radio controls alongside our voice control and our telephone control. Behind that, we also have our upshift for the S-tronic gearbox once again. Now, sat behind that, we do have our digital screen there in between our two analog dials, and you can look at things such as your vehicle settings or digital speed readout, your radio, your telephone and your map screen, and you can also turn the minimum display on if you don't want to be distracted by anything on there. Looking over to the left, we have our central infotainment screen. This is a touchscreen, it's very easy to use, and you can look at things such as your digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. We have our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We have our navigation, and you can also pre-save your favourite destinations into here, such as your home address. We have our phone app, so you can connect your car to things such as CarPlay. And this allows you to use things such as Spotify or Siri, and it makes it that bit safer when you're driving and also means you're more familiar with the layout. Now if we have a look at our car setting here, we have Audi's famous Drive Select. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you want to go for more of a dynamic drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic mode or choose to set up yourself in individual. Now this vehicle does come equipped with a reversing camera with the guidelines, which is perfect for seeing that space behind you, and also means you can see any obstacles around the vehicle. Sat below that, we have our controls here for the dual zone climate control, which means that you can leave it in automatic if you want the car to figure out how best to cool you or heat you. And you can also choose independently, the driver and passenger, what temperature you have, or you can synchronise the entire system by either pinching on the display or you can also press the 3 dots at the bottom and that brings up a separate menu for that. Now we do also have as well the heated front seats in this vehicle, which is perfect for those chilly winter drives to work. Sat below that then, we have our controls there for our sound system as well as skipping our track. You can also turn off the sound system entirely by pushing that button in. Behind that we have our controller there for the S-tronic gearbox, so you can knock it back into drive, then over into manual mode where you can manually change gear, which is great especially if you're in dynamic and gives you that ultimate Audi driving feel. To the left of that we have our little compartment here. If you open that, you'll find 2 cup holders, space for the key in the centre, and we also have a 12-volt socket, perfect for plugging in any accessories. And then behind that we do have our sliding centre armrest here, which is perfect for finding that comfortable driving position. We've got plenty of storage space under here for your wallet or keys, which wish to remain hidden from view. And we also have 2 USB-C sockets, perfect for charging those more modern mobile devices. So that completes our look today at this 2021 approved used Audi A6 saloon. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as this is an approved used car, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.